Welcome, everyone. Emma and Mike here. I can't believe we've made it to episode 10. It feels like just yesterday we were diving into Alex and Lily's complicated relationship.
I know, right? It feels surreal. After all the ups and downs, the tension, and those heart-stopping moments, we're here, ready to see how it all wraps up for them.
Absolutely. This season has been a roller coaster of emotions. From their almost kiss on the rooftop to the heartfelt conversations that made us all swoon, every moment has brought us closer to this finale. I'm still not over how intense their last encounter was.
And we can't forget the moments of hesitation and doubt. They've been navigating their fears and desires, almost like they're dancing around their feelings. And now, it's time for them to step into the spotlight and confront what's been simmering between them.
Exactly. You can feel the anticipation building. It's like the universe is holding its breath, waiting for them to take that leap of faith. I'm so curious to see if they finally embrace what's between them.
Right? There's so much at stake. It's not just about a kiss. It's about trusting each other and taking a chance on something real. We've watched them struggle, and now it's time to see if they can overcome their fears together.
I think we all can relate to that fear of vulnerability. It's scary to open your heart, especially when you've been hurt before. But I have a feeling that this episode will give us the answers we've been longing for. Hopefully the kind that brings us all some closure.
And with the stakes higher than ever, it's going to be a beautiful blend of romance and emotional honesty. I can't wait to see how Alex and Lily confront their feelings and whether they can find their way to each other.
So let's dive in and see how their story unfolds in this final episode. We're in for an unforgettable ride.
You know, I've been thinking a lot about everything that's happened between us. It feels like we've been circling around our feelings forever, like two stars destined to collide.
It does feel that way. There's this invisible thread between us that pulls me closer, even when I tried to pull away. Sometimes I wonder if this was always meant to happen.
It's like the universe conspired to bring us together. I can't shake the feeling that we're meant to explore this connection, to see where it takes us, the way we gravitate toward each other. It feels significant, doesn't it?
It does. I can't ignore the chemistry. It's electric, and it's terrifying at the same time. But what if we dive in and everything shatters? What if it ruins everything we've built?
But what if it doesn't? What if this is the beginning of something beautiful? I mean, look at how far we've come together. We've faced so much, and yet here we are, still standing strong.
But what if we mess it up? What if this incredible connection gets lost? I've seen it happen before. And the thought of going through that pain again makes me hesitate.
That's always a risk, but it's a risk worth taking. I'd rather leap into the unknown than never know what could blossom between us. You've changed my life in ways I never imagined, and I want to explore that depth with you.
You really believe that?
I do. Every laugh we've shared, every moment of silence, it all means something profound. We've created a bond that I can't just walk away from. I refuse to let fear dictate our journey.
I feel safe with you, but it's scary to let anyone in. With you, it feels different, like I can finally breathe. But can we really go back to how things were if it doesn't work out?
Maybe we won't need to go back. Maybe we'll create something new, something extraordinary. We owe it to ourselves to find out. We owe it to this connection that's blossomed between us.
You're right. I've been so focused on the what-ifs that I forgot to think about the what could be. Maybe it's time to let myself feel this.
Exactly. So let's stop overthinking and just be honest with each other. Right here, right now. No more dancing around it.
Okay, I'm ready to embrace this, whatever it is. I want to stop pretending.
Me too. No more holding back. It's time to acknowledge what's been growing between us, even if it scares us both.
So what does this mean for us? What does taking that leap look like?
It means we take that leap together, hand in hand. It means being vulnerable and allowing ourselves to feel everything this connection has to offer. We can figure it out as we go along. I want to know you deeply, to explore every facet of who you are.
And if we take that leap, what do we do next?
We take it one step at a time. We savor the moments, the laughter, the tender silences. We build something real, something that lasts. We discover who we are together, not just as individuals, but as a team.
You make it sound so effortless, but I know it won't be without its challenges. Nothing worth having ever is.
It won't be easy, but I believe we can handle it. As long as we're open and honest, we can navigate anything together. We'll face the challenges hand in hand.
I want that. I want to be real with you, but it's terrifying to let my guard down.
Then let's embrace the fear. It means we care deeply. It's okay to feel scared. It just shows how much this means to us.
You're really good at this, you know?
Maybe I just know what I want, and that's you. I'm not afraid to admit it, even if it's vulnerable.
What if I can't match your confidence? What if I disappoint you?
Then I'll be here to support you. I'm not asking you to be someone you're not. I want you to be authentically you, however messy that might be. We can grow together, even through the uncertainty.
You're asking for a lot, Alex. But I want to try. I want to see where this goes. But I need to know you'll be patient with me.
I'll wait as long as it takes, but don't shut me out. Don't push this away. I want to be part of your journey, and I want you to be part of mine.
I'm in. I want to take this leap with you. I just need time. Time to figure out what I want.
That's all I ask. Just don't keep me waiting forever. I want to be there for you, to explore everything together.
I don't want to make you wait forever. I just need time to process. But I'm ready to take that leap with you.
That's all I need to hear. We'll take it slow, savoring each moment, and when you're ready, we'll dive deeper.
You're really not going to make this easy, are you?
Nope, but I promise it'll be worth it.
We'll see about that.
You know, I've wanted to kiss you for a while now. It's been on my mind, like an uncharted territory waiting to be explored.
What are you waiting for? Just kiss me already.
You're sure?
I've thought about it more than I can say.
This is just the beginning, isn't it? A beautiful start to our journey.
Yes, it is, and I'm ready for whatever comes next. I'm ready for us.
Then let's embrace it fully. Together we can navigate whatever life throws our way.
I'm so glad we took this leap. It feels right.
It does. And I promise to cherish this connection, to be there for you as we figure things out together.
I feel like I can finally let my guard down. You've shown me that vulnerability can lead to something beautiful.
And I'll always be here to catch you if you fall. We're in this together, no matter what.
Together, then. I can't wait to see where this takes us.
Neither can I. Let's embrace this journey, hand in hand, heart to heart.
Wow, what an incredible finale. I'm not sure I have the words to express everything I just felt. Alex and Lily's journey has come to such a powerful conclusion.
I know. It's hard to believe we've followed them through all those ups and downs, and now they've finally taken that leap of faith. Their kiss was so beautifully charged, it felt like all their emotions came together in that one moment.
Absolutely. It was like everything they'd been holding back finally found its way out. I loved how they embraced their vulnerabilities. It made their connection feel so real and relatable.
And that's what this story has always been about, right? The journey of opening up, confronting fears, and learning to trust again. Alex and Lily showed us that love isn't just about the perfect moments, but also about the struggles that lead you there.
Exactly. And their willingness to be honest with each other was such a beautiful resolution. It's like they found not just love, but a deeper understanding of each other. I hope our listeners felt that connection too.
I think they did. It's been a joy to share this journey with everyone. The discussions, the theories, and the fan reactions have made this experience so much richer. I can't thank our audience enough for joining us on this ride.
And a huge shout out to everyone who contributed to the conversation, whether through comments, messages, or fan art. You've all made this journey so much more enjoyable. It feels like we've built a community around Alex and Lily.
For sure. It's bittersweet to wrap up this season, but I'm excited to see what everyone takes away from it. The themes of love, vulnerability, and the courage to take risks resonate far beyond their story.
Well said. And remember, even though this season is ending, the story of love and connection never truly ends. Alex and Lily will always hold a special place in our hearts.
Absolutely. Thank you for tuning in to The Bridge Between Us. We hope you enjoyed this season finale as much as we did. Until next time, keep believing in love and taking those leaps of faith.
See you next season, everyone. Stay connected and keep the love alive.